Hello everyone, it is another money video here on this channel for self-help, and we're going to be talking about money and spirituality today. I've talked a little bit about how to earn more money, how to go about doing some of that from a subconscious mind perspective, and maybe eventually I'll introduce to some things about kind of trading patterns or ways to earn there, or advertising, marketing, passive income. I may eventually go to some of that kind of stuff on this channel, but for now, let's focus on the mentality of earning money. And I think that this principle is particularly interesting because so many people talk all about spirituality, like, oh, there's this, and there's this, and there's this. And then when they talk about money, they're like, money's so greedy, money's such a problem. You know, it's like people are always obsessed with money, not with like things they should have, live this minimalist lifestyle, you know, and that kind of such things. And the answer to that, in my opinion, really is forget about that kind of stuff for a minute, okay? Money is very spiritual. I once heard a great chant about wealth and, you know, being spiritual and kind of having a mantra all about that. And so many people were hating on this kind of material, like, oh no, money is not spiritual. And even one of my best friends I was talking to about it had that kind of stance. And The Millionaire Mind makes a pretty hilarious idea. It talks about this one. And when people say all these negative things about money, he says, okay, I'm getting this, you know, vision from the heavens. You know what? I can predict the future. I know that you're broke. Or, you know, I can tell something about you. You're broke. Because the more you hate on money, like, money is like a lady. I'm trying to remember who says that one. That one is such a good phrase. I love that one. Money hath ears. Money is like a lady. That might have been Reverend Ike, who has some material I absolutely love. But anyway, money hath ears, and like a lady, if you insult her all the time, she's going to stay away from you. So if you want to earn more money, definitely don't insult money, okay? That lesson learned, another thing about it, I would say that is going to be important when it comes to understanding this kind of principle is really the fact that money can buy great things. If you want to teach people more, you can buy, you know, the chance to do that. You can pay for travel expenses, you can pay for better advertising, you can create a school, all that kind of stuff can happen because of money. Money is a powerful tool. Now, this doesn't mean that money cannot be used for bad things. It can, okay? But if you think of money as being bad because of that, then no. Okay, money is simply power. People can either abuse power or they can use it for great accomplishment and great, you know, good in the world. So think of money, I would say, as generally good, or as at least being neutral. I tend to think of it as being very good because if you think of it as good, you're going to have an easier time acquiring more and more of it. And that's basically the idea here. I've talked a little bit about in previous videos how to earn more through the process of touching your money and smelling it in terms of getting that into the subconscious mind. And so this is really important because if you want to be very spiritual, you also do want to earn a decent amount of money. Otherwise, you're going to be in poverty. You're going to be dealing with just having to pay bills all the time, having to worry about this, worry about that. Having enough money is key, and having enough money where you can live even a fabulous lifestyle is big. Now, you don't want to go overboard in terms of just working for money and money being the bottom line and everything, okay? But money is at least, in my mind, I would say, see it as a means to an end, okay? And see it as good. See all the good that you can do with your money, okay? All the change you can bring about in the world. And I would say that is the most important thing. So money and spirituality are very connected in my mind, and, you know, that is just so wonderful in our loving universe. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm Walt. This is my video. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.